Welcome to the world of modern sheep farming, where advanced technology ensures high-quality meat and production.
The process begins with automated identification systems that track every animal from the pasture to the factory. Farmers use sophisticated software to monitor nutritional intake and growth rates, ensuring only the healthiest sheep progress.
Ethical handling is a priority, with facility designs focused on reducing stress during the initial sorting stages.
Please subscribe to our channel now to see more fascinating industrial food processes and modern farming technologies.
Upon arrival at the food factory, the sheep enter a sterile environment where hygiene and safety standards.
Strict sanitation protocols are enforced constantly to maintain a clean workspace and prevent any form of contamination. Advanced automation handles the heavy lifting as carcasses are placed on a rail system for precision processing.
High-precision robotics remove the wool and skin in seconds, ensuring the integrity of the underlying meat.
Thermal pasteurization cabinets use intense steam to effectively eliminate surface bacteria before the chilling process begins now.
Rapid chilling is essential to preserve freshness and lock in the natural flavor of the sheep meat. Technicians verify the temperature of every unit, ensuring it meets global safety standards before moving to fabrication.
Automated splitting saws divide the meat into primal sections with speed that humans simply cannot ever achieve.
Skilled personnel perform deboning tasks while working alongside robots to maximize efficiency and minimize physical labor tonight.
Laser portioning ensures every steak is cut to exact weights, reducing waste and providing consistency for consumers.
Vacuum skin packaging removes oxygen, extending the shelf life and maintaining the vibrant color of the meat. Automated labeling systems apply weight and nutritional data in milliseconds as products move toward the boxing area. Every single package is scanned for foreign objects to ensure the absolute safety of the final consumer. Robotic arms stack the boxes with mathematical precision to maximize stability during the upcoming global maritime transport. Driverless vehicles navigate the warehouse floor with laser precision to deliver pallets to the refrigerated loading bays.
Thousands of trucks depart weekly, delivering fresh and high-quality meat to retailers across the entire world.
Ongoing laboratory analysis is conducted to guarantee that every batch meets the strictest of international safety standards.
Sustainability is a core focus as the factory utilizes renewable energy to reduce its overall carbon footprint.
The final result of this complex process is a premium product enjoyed by culinary enthusiasts across the globe.
From the humble green pasture to a global food solution, and the journey of sheep meat is remarkable.
Efficiency is maintained through constant calibration of every machine to ensure a smooth and uninterrupted production flow.
Secondary products are ground and blended to precise specifications for high-quality processed meat products in factory.
Every night, a dedicated crew performs a deep clean to maintain the highest levels of hygiene imaginable.
Wool is a valuable byproduct of the industry and is harvested carefully using automated shearing technology today. The supply chain spans across continents, providing a steady stream of resources for the global food industry. Bulk storage solutions are tested for airtight seals to preserve meat quality during long-duration maritime storage.
Modern grading uses AI vision to assess marbling and tenderness, ensuring the consumer gets the highest quality.
The massive power required to run this facility is managed by a centralized and very efficient hub. Every pallet is scanned one last time to ensure the correct products are delivered to retailers worldwide. The incredible speed of the packaging line is a testament to the power of modern industrial automation.
Great taste begins with a commitment to excellence at every stage of the farming and processing.
The work continues 24 hours a day to provide the world with the nutrition it needs. Thank you for watching our deep dive into the world of modern sheep farming and meat processing. It all starts in the field, where animals are raised with care before beginning their industrial journey.
Clean water is a requirement for healthy sheep and is tested regularly to ensure total flock safety.
Precision feeding ensures sheep receive exact nutrients for healthy growth without any unnecessary waste of raw materials.
Transport logistics are optimized to reduce travel time, ensuring the animals arrive at the factory quickly and regular machine maintenance prevents downtime and ensures the highest product quality throughout the entire manufacturing process today.
Sustainable water management helps the factory minimize its environmental impact while maintaining high-volume industrial food production.
Skilled human touch is still required for the final preparation of specialty meat cuts for high-end. Automated packing systems increase throughput and maintain a sterile environment by reducing human contact with the products. Renewable energy powers a significant portion of the plant, reducing operational costs and the carbon footprint today.
Razor-sharp tools are essential for clean cuts and for the overall safety of the fabrication team.
Chemical balance is monitored to ensure the meat maintains its tenderness and flavor during the aging process.
From the farm to the table, the journey of meat is a masterpiece of modern industrial engineering.
Quality control begins at the intake dock, where every raw material is inspected for purity and safety.
High-capacity grinders process thousands of pounds per hour, maintaining a consistent texture for all processed products.
Fine-tuning the cooling environment ensures that every unit is chilled to perfection without any surface damage. Precision trimming increases the value of the meat while reducing the manual labor required for the processing.
Automated inspection reduces the risk of human error and ensures only the best products reach the retailers.
Pallets are wrapped tightly to ensure stability and safety during their long journey to the international market.
The journey to the consumer ends in a safe and secure arrival at the local grocery store.
Consumer demand for ethical and high-quality meat products continues to drive innovation in the sheep industry.
Genetic research helps farmers select the best animals for breeding, improving the quality of the flocks overall.
Maintaining the facility's infrastructure is a continuous job that is vital for the safety of food production.
Water purity is a top priority for the factory, ensuring that every part of the process remains.
High-precision stacking ensures that the products are not damaged during the transport to their final destination.
Advanced air scrubbers remove particles and odors, ensuring the factory remains a clean neighbor to the community.
Microbiological testing is the ultimate defense against foodborne illness and ensures the safety of the final product.
High-capacity hoppers feed the packaging lines, ensuring a constant flow of product to satisfy the orders.
Scanning destination codes ensures that every pallet is correctly delivered to its designated market across the globe.
Clear labeling provides consumers with all the information they need to make healthy and informed food choices.
The work never stops in this high-tech facility dedicated to the production of high-quality meat.
High-quality meat products are a staple of global food culture, enjoyed by millions of people daily.
The journey of meat is a masterpiece of modern engineering and its ability to feed the world.
Continuous monitoring of wastewater ensures the factory meets all of the environmental safety and quality standards.
Constant surveillance and high-tech monitoring ensure the integrity of the world's most advanced food processing facility. Quality control starts at the intake dock, ensuring that every raw material meets our strict safety standards.
Thorough sanitation of the processing equipment is a mandatory and essential part of the daily production routine.
Automated bagging of wholesale cuts increases the speed of production and reduces the need for manual labor.
Verifying the fat content ensures that the final product meets the specific requirements of our food partners.
These products are a popular choice for high-quality meals, bringing joy to millions of people daily.
Maintaining the correct acidity is important for the flavor and the stability of the final meat product.
Temperature control is critical throughout the entire process, ensuring the meat has the perfect final quality tonight.
Heat sealing creates a perfect barrier against any bacteria, ensuring the product stays safe during the distribution.
Consumers are increasingly choosing this brand for its high quality and its guaranteed safety standards every day. Regular calibration of sensors ensures that the factory utility systems are operating with absolute and total precision. Thank you for watching our deep dive into the world of industrial meat processing and manufacturing today. Traceability starts at the farm, ensuring that only healthy and well-raised animals enter the food chain.
Constant temperature monitoring is vital for food safety and for maintaining the high quality of the meat. This frozen processing allows the factory to maintain a steady production schedule regardless of the incoming supply levels.
Automation in the warehouse increases the overall safety and efficiency of the logistics chain in our facility.
Secure loading is the final step in ensuring the product reaches its destination in perfect condition.
The joy of a shared meal is the ultimate goal of the entire industrial processing operation tonight.
A new day brings new production cycles for this billion-dollar facility powering the global food chain.
High-capacity hoppers feed the packaging lines, ensuring a constant flow of product to satisfy the orders.
Robotic picking reduces human error and ensures that orders are fulfilled with absolute and total precision today. The facility is a masterpiece of modern design and a testament to the power of global manufacturing. The work continues 24 hours a day to provide the world with the nutrition they need.
Perfection in every bite is the result of the high-tech process we have explored in factory.
Understanding the complex integration of systems is key to appreciating the scale of this massive food facility. Thank you for watching our deep dive into the world of industrial meat processing and manufacturing today.
Thank you for watching our deep dive into the world of modern sheep meat and industrial production.
The work continues 24 hours a day to satisfy the world's hunger for high-quality meat.
We truly appreciate your support and hope to see you again for our next amazing industrial story.